Fishbone SPC flooring is a stylish and modern addition to any interior space. The unique fishbone pattern adds a touch of sophistication to the floor, making it perfect for both residential and commercial applications. The splicing method used for this flooring makes it easy to install, creating a seamless finish without the need for adhesives or nails. The construction of the SPC flooring ensures it is both durable and water-resistant, perfect for high-traffic areas and rooms prone to moisture. The multi-dimensional fishbone pattern gives the flooring a realistic appearance of wood while providing the benefits of synthetic materials. The low-maintenance SPC flooring is easy to clean, scratch-resistant, and designed to withstand years of wear and tear. With a variety of colors and finishes to choose from, Fishbone SPC flooring is a versatile and affordable option for anyone looking to enhance their space.